Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Samsung phone is overheating too much lately, let me show you how to fix that fast and easy. First step is to close background apps. Too many apps running in the background can cause overheating. For that, tap the Recents button and swipe away all the apps to free up memory. Next is to turn off unused features. For that, swipe down the quick panel. And here, turn off anything you are not using like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or location. Another step can be to enable power saving mode. For that, head to settings, scroll down and find this option called battery and tap on it. And here, turn on power saving mode. This limits background activity and helps cool down your phone. And now while you are at this page, scroll down and find this option called software update. And tap download and install. Samsung often releases thermal optimization fixes in updates. And yes, don't heavy use while charging. Don't use your phone for gaming or streaming while it's charging. This builds up heat fast. Now under the same settings menu, find this option called device care and tap on it. And here tap optimize now. It shuts down hidden background processes that could be heating your phone. A bonus tip for you guys, remove your phone case temporarily to help dissipate heat faster, especially if it's a thick or rubber case. And that's how to cool down your Samsung phone and keep it running smoothly. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.